Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. So friends, in this video lecture, we'll be covering about what is all about the biosphere, and this is presented by me Geeta. So let us go into the video lecture without any further delay. So the biosphere is the part of the earth where life exists. Okay, so this is, as you can see in the representation of the image, you can see biosphere is a zone which is interacting between atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is nothing but gases and vapor like air. Hydrosphere is nothing but water. Lithosphere is like a rock material like land. Okay, so biosphere is a combination, as I have mentioned, of above all the three: atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Okay, so bio means life. Okay, next. So, and also for the biosphere, as you know, so biosphere is only available in equatorial and tropical equatorial areas only. And as you know that this biosphere is not available, is absent at North Pole and South Pole. Okay, this is absent at North Pole and South Pole. And this biosphere, from the life and the energy for the living organisms in the biosphere comes from the sun, and the nutrients comes from air, water and land. Like, as I have mentioned, air, water and land. So all the nutrients comes from these three zones, and these same resources are recycled again and again to continue the life of an organism. Okay, so the extreme range of the biosphere is 10 kilometer above sea level and 8 kilometer deep in oceans. Okay, next. So atmosphere. Atmosphere is like the gaseous covering over the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, as you can see here, the gaseous covering of the earth is called atmosphere, and the atmosphere consists of various gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc., to help living organisms like plants, human beings, etc., to survive. Okay, and next. However, the upper part of the atmosphere has a low oxygen content, and that is the reason flying birds can be found below 200 meters of the Earth's surface. Okay. Next, in addition to providing gases for respiration, the atmosphere has a specific function in shielding living things from the sun's damaging UV radiation. As we all know, we have an ozone layer which protects us from the damaging ultraviolet rays. Okay, so these rays are very, very dangerous, in which they cause skin cancer if these UV rays penetrate directly into our skin. Okay. So coming to the composition, this atmosphere composed of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. So it is the air that all around the earth. Coming to nitrogen, it is 78% of the earth's atmosphere by volume and 75.465% by weight. And coming to oxygen, it is 20% 20% 0.9 by volume and 23% by weight. And coming to carbon dioxide, 0.03% by volume and 0.05% by weight. Okay. And coming to the layers, we can see the layers. Trust me, in the exam is a trick to remember troposphere. Layers of the atmosphere, sorry, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere. So trust me, in the exam are the layers of atmosphere. The trick to remember layers of atmosphere. Okay. Next, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, it includes all types of water resources like oceans, seas, rivers, glaciers, and all groundwater. It is a collective term used for different forms of water. 70% of Earth is covered by water, and remaining 30% is covered by land surface. The major problem with global water supply is its new non-uniform distribution. Okay. The non-uniform distribution is like we have more amount of salt water and less amount of fresh water. So the salt water, as you all know, it is only utilized for some purpose, and the fresh water is for drinking purpose, cooking purpose, everything. So its non-uniform distribution is a major problem for the global water supply. Okay. Next. So all of the earth's water, as I have mentioned, all of the earth water is referred to as hydrosphere. It is also known as aquatic region. Okay. But we know aquatic means water, but we also know solid formations of water in higher like in poles, and also in high mountains we have glaciers. Okay. So these will be available in solid form. Okay. Next, the hydrosphere, which support life, is crucial in controlling earth's temperature. Additionally, it provides the water needed by all living organisms. And next, lithosphere. Lithosphere, it is a terrestrial component of the biosphere. As I have mentioned, the terrestrial component of biosphere is nothing but lithosphere. So it means it contains solid ground masses like islands and continents. And its lower mantle and core are the only parts that do not support life and are not therefore a part of the biosphere. These are not part of the biosphere. Okay. Everything else supports life by giving it shelter and nourishment, from the smallest germs to the large beasts and huge trees. Okay. Next. So the lithosphere is a solid rock that covers the planet. This includes crust and uppermost part of the mantle. Okay, the uppermost part of the mantle and the crust are the part of lithosphere. So the lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates which relatively moves with each other. Okay. So the two components of lithosphere are oceanic lithosphere and continental lithosphere. Coming to oceanic lithosphere, so the oceanic it is associated with oceanic crust, and it is about 50 to 100 kilometer thick. And coming to continental lithosphere, its thickness ranges from 40 kilometer to 200 kilometer. Okay. So this is all about biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. So guys, any questions in this? If you have any questions or queries, you can just ping us on geetasupsccorner@gmail.com. And also, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Geeta's UPSC Corner. And also, thank you so much for watching the video lecture. Bye.